Hi everyone! I'm so excited to be back with another release featuring some new products from Syberia Design, and I will be showing you all of the products in this release, and I hope you will enjoy them as much as I am. First off, we have this Better Press plate, and it's compatible with Spellbinder's hot foiling system as well. So it's 2 for 1 in this. And you can see how beautiful this is. And I believe that this could be also colored in with the stencil here. So this is a 2-piece stencil. And it's called, what is this called? Abstract Background. So cute. So that's the first one. It's a duo of these two. And then we have this press plate, so it fills in the background and the lines for these flowers. It's also a press plate and compatible with a hot foiling system. Abstract floral background. So cute, can't wait to use this one. I think it will be very popular. And then we have this beautiful plate. It's also a reversed one called Charming Flora Background, compatible with the Better Press system and the hot foiling system. And you can also see that we have the coordinating stencil. And I will actually cut this open for you so you can see how many layers this is. So I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. You can see you have your etching up in the top here, so you know how to line this up with the system. And then we also have another press plate. It's a Better Press, I should say, release. And you can see here you have your plate and the coordinating dies in the same package. And I think the idea is, I had to play with it, but I think you can stamp this and then cut it out in one go. Or not in one go, but you have all and you can just line it up. And this is what it actually will cut. So you have thank you, celebrate, big hugs, hello, grateful for you always. Thank you for being you. You are absolutely wonderful. So nice sentiments for all of your projects. And then we have this beautiful elegant bloom. And it's also combo here of 2 press plates and 2 dies that comes in the same set. So that is all the products that I got from this release, and I believe it's the entire release. It's as always super beautiful, and I can't wait to play with it. Sorry about the glare from my lights, and now it got completely dark. I'm sorry, I can't wait until it's more spring here in Sweden and the light is a little bit better, so I can have my shutters opened to the side here so I get some natural light in. Yeah, so sorry about the ramble. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. It means a lot to me that you visit today. I hope you enjoyed this content and got inspired to check out the rest of the release. I will have links down below for the entire release that was that are being released and that you can look closer to on Alex's website. So thank you, and I see you soon. Bye! Thank you for sticking with me so far in this video. I will now go in and create a card together with you. So first off, I am using the beautiful new stencils that coordinates with the Charming Flora background plates. And for my project in this video, I will actually not use the plate itself together with the stencils, because I wanted to see if they could be used on their own. It looked like it on the packaging because there were quite a few layers to this stencil set, and it's obviously gorgeous when you use it with a plate as well. But I just wanted to see if I could use it alone. And you can see the first layer is really beautiful. I decided to go with a color combination of soft pink, and I will also use some blue greenish colors. I'm using inks from Concord and Night. You probably can see them to the side here. and they are just gorgeous together. They really match my project well. You can see the leaves here is my third layer, and I went in with some sponges instead of my brushes. I just like using different tools depending on how small of an area I am filling in. And then we can lift this up. I'm just checking so I have all the space filled out, making sure I have this layer to the right side. This was the first time I used it, and it was a little bit tricky to just get this layer in the right position. You can see I'm struggling a little bit, but it went nice when I just had it in the right spot. And then there is the final layer, so this is the fifth and final. It's the center parts, and I went in with yellow. I just think that is a really classic color for the center part. You can obviously do some more shading and stuff if you like, but for my first go with this stencil set, I just wanted to keep it quite simple. But it turned out so beautifully. This was exactly what I was going for, and so happy that it turned out the way I was thinking in my mind. And for creating some interest, I wanted some flowers to my project as well. This is an older die set from Syberia. So this is the Delicate Blooms die set. I had it on my desk because I created some other projects for this release, and I had this on another one. You will see it when we have our video hop. So please check that out if you're interested. But with that said, I had it on my desk and I thought it would be so pretty in this cream colored cardstock. My sentiment is it's a new press plate as well. It's a classic sentiment press plate. Raised it up, and of course some dimension to the back, and a circle that I had in my stash, just cut out of vellum, and then we can play around with our flowers. I cut some leaves also with some teal colors. If I would do this again, I might use that green color that I had for the leaves in the background, but I had some teal ones already cut, so I just cut a couple of more, and I love when I can reuse stuff that I have left from other projects. I hope that it's not too distracting, but I think it turned out nicely. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Do you think I should have gone with more green leaves, or is the teal okay? This is my favorite color combination, by the way, these teal colors together, so I was really happy when I could use them on a project. I think it turned out nicely, and you can see I'm creasing the leaves slightly with my fingers when I'm using them. So I'm just tucking my leaves, and then I'm deciding that I am good. I finished off with some sequins that was clear, and that is it for today's project. I hope you enjoyed it. There is a blog hop going on today to celebrate the new release. I will have that listed down below, as well as some of the products that I used in this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Bye!